Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Tesla Model Y. First, unlock your car using your phone key or by tapping the key card on the B pillar. Once inside, fasten your seatbelt and press the brake pedal. Unlike traditional cars, there is no start button. Pressing the brake powers the vehicle on. The large touchscreen will then come to life, ready for your commands. It's a seamless and intuitive process, getting you ready to go in just a few moments. Now, let's get moving. To select Drive, simply swipe up on the Drive mode strip located on your touchscreen. For Reverse, swipe down. The right stalk handles your gear selection, while the left stalk controls indicators and high beams. You can easily adjust your steering wheel and side mirrors using the left scroll wheel on the steering wheel in conjunction with the touchscreen. This intuitive design puts all essential controls right at your fingertips for a smooth journey. Your Model Y comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features, including autopilot. This system offers traffic-aware cruise control and auto steer, helping you maintain a set speed and stay centered in your lane. To engage it, simply pull the right stalk down twice. Remember, autopilot requires your active supervision. Always keep your hands on the steering wheel and be ready to take control. It's designed to assist, not replace, the driver. When it's time to charge, the port is conveniently located on the rear left of your Model Y. You can open it by pressing the button on the charge cable or through the touchscreen. Connect the correct Type 2 or CCS cable and confirm charging has begun on your screen. For parking, Auto Park can assist with both parallel and perpendicular maneuvers. Drive slowly past a spot, select Start on the touchscreen, and the car will guide itself in, often at speeds below 8 miles per hour. Always supervise the process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.